to get groceries, and of course the one thing that you don't want to happen is it's still raining. All right, friends, this is everything we bought. I will go over this quickly. I know you saw some of the stuff on the conveyor belt. It was crazy in that Walmart. It was actually the busiest I think we have seen it in a long time. I don't know why, but this is what we picked up. I did pick up a Great Value 100% whole wheat loaf of bread, and then I got Mattia the regular bunny bread. Picked up some saltines, some better cheddar crackers. Got this oatmeal squares brown sugar cereal squares. We used to love this one. Picked up some ramen noodle. This is for Andrea to take to work for his class. That's just some PB&J crackers. That's for him. And then for a reward for some of his students, that is just a 12 count of Cheetos. He has 10 in that class. Picked up a package of beef jerky. Also got the 2 cheeses that we like to keep. I have some in the fridge, but I hate when I get low because we use these so much. So this is a mild cheddar and a mozzarella. I did pick up some sweet potatoes, a bunch of broccoli. We did get a bag of the Green Giant, just the yellow onions. These were $2.87. I got 2 cucumbers. Andrea picked up 3 peaches. We did get a bundle of bananas. I did get some strawberries and some raspberries, and then some blackberries. Nothing makes you miss your grandmother after they've passed. Like this time of year when she used to bring me gallon Ziploc bags full of blackberries. Missed that because this container was $4. I picked up the large bag of the frozen mixed vegetables. This is what we use in the dog food. I also got some half and half, a small 2.5%, 2% half gallon, get that other, of milk. Picked up a container of orange juice. Let's get this stuff. Got some tricolor coleslaw. We actually mix that in with our lettuce. And then a package of fresh spinach. I also got a bunch of green onions, and then we got a package of sliced mushrooms, 2 tomatoes. I picked up a block of Colby cheese, some Swiss cheese, and then some pepper jack cheese. Andrea will just slice that off for lunch. We got some antacid tablets. You know, when you're a teacher, you get all of the things your class gets. So he has been to urgent care. He had to end up getting some other medicine, some antacids. This is the Pepcid, and then these are just mine beside my bed. And there's the bag of the other medicines. Picked up some Zesty Ranch veggie straws. These will go to work with me. I'm gonna swing over here as the dogs bark in the background and the lighting is horrible. I got sweet relish, Catalina dressing, some Italian dressing, a package of the beef and bean chimichangas, some vanilla ice cream that has got to get in the freezer because it is melting. This is the 20 packets, the value pack. This is the fruit and cream oatmeals. There's strawberry and cream, peaches, blueberries, and the bananas. I love this one. If you buy frozen pizza, these are the best. They are the Rising Crust, the Sam's Choice. This is the Supreme, and then the pepperoni. These are $2.87 each, and it is an awesome buy, and they are our favorite. I picked up some bread flour because I'm running short. Put that in the freezer out there for me. These are just some vanilla cream cookies for the dogs' treats. I got 2 packages of the Alfredo pasta sides. An 18 count of eggs. I'm sorry for the lighting over here. And then I actually didn't even get this stuff out. I'm behind. So we picked up some leaf lettuce. Hey, some carrots. Everybody's coming in. I did get some yams, spaghetti, and meatballs are in here. These are on sale for 88 cents. Andrea picked up some socks. There is creamer, cheese slices, 2 cans of peas, and Andrea got some breakfast essentials. And over here are the Tyson chicken breast tenderloins and the chicken thighs. That is what we got, and thanks for watching.